to you. Okay, sir, ganito na lang. Simplify natin. Nung binigay po sa inyo, ang sabi lang sa inyo exactly is what?
Ano?
Nung pong binigay sa inyo, Sal, ito yung...
Hindi, wala siyang binigay. Hindi naman siya nagbigay. Basta may nagpadala sa akin ng matrix. Hindi ba sabi ko sa inyo, may nagpadala sa akin ng text. Hindi ba pinakita ko nga sa inyo? Nasa telepono ko
Alright, sir, okay.
That was sent to me. May nagtanong nga, Sir, sino nagpadala? Ewan ko kung saan.
Alright, sir. Let's establish once and for all.
What?
Okay, yun pong origin ng ouster matrix. He said all the while we thought that it was from the president himself.
No, it was
and
not.
then gave it to you. And then meron pa kayong soundbite na.
Ito. He asked me to discuss it in the briefing, yung matrix. And then, somebody sent me a matrix. Edi yun ang nire-refer niyang matrix. Wala namang ibang
Alright,
matrix.
so, okay, sir. Establish natin the facts. President calls you, texts you. The president called you, texted you.
Nag-usap kami.
Personally?
No, telepono.
Okay, so telepono, sir. May we know when this is?
Holy Week.
Oh, okay, nice. And then he said, Secretary, what did he tell you?
Sinabi niya nga, you touch on the matrix in your news briefing tomorrow.
And then when that conversation happened, you had a context of what matrix he was talking about?
Yeah, yung sinabi niya, apparently there is an ouster plot against me. And there is a matrix. Yun.
And you knew na already that there was a matrix?
Hindi, sinabi nila may matrix. Sabi ko, what is this matrix?
Okay, yun.
Somebody siguro will send you whatever, kung ano yung matrix na sinasabi nila.
Okay.
So, pinakita ko sa inyo
Correct, sir.
Sa telepono ko.
Tama, sir. So then after that phone call, you got the...
And then after that, we never talk about it.
Okay, sir. Now, what happened? Did you get a matrix as communicated by the president?
Yung pinakita ko sa inyo, last time.
And yung sir, yung network, di ba?
Yeah, ayun.
Right. So you got it from, would you be able to reveal the source?
Hindi ko alam kasi walang number siya.